First of all, guys, take a look at these videos. These are viral Stickman animation videos. You have probably seen this type of content many times on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Whenever you scroll through Reels or Shorts, you will often notice these Stickman animations. These animations are usually very funny and comedic. Now, if we talk about the channel itself, the character design remains consistent throughout the videos. Usually, there are around 3 to 4 characters that appear repeatedly. Consistency in characters is one of the key reasons why this channel performs so well. If we look at the subscriber count, the channel has around 2.2 million subscribers, and this was achieved with only 441 videos, which is actually a very high score for a channel. According to Social Blade, in the last 30 days, the channel gained around 10,000 subscribers, and it also received around 14 million views in the same period. The estimated monthly earnings are around $56,000, and yearly estimates can go extremely high. Some estimates even suggest numbers in the billions, although realistically it might still be earning several $1,000,000 per year. The main point here is that some people claim that this type of channel cannot be monetized. But guys, I am literally showing you the channel as proof. Social Blade is not a small website. It provides real analytics data. I created this as a long video using a consistent character, exactly like the style used by the original channel. Even the voiceover style is similar, just like the original channel's format. And today we are going to create this type of video using a completely free AI tool, so please do not skip the video. Let's start the tutorial. Guys, first of all, you already know that I have prepared a master prompt for you. This master prompt includes everything needed for Stickman animation creation. Inside the prompt, the first section explains the character style, which is extremely important. It explains things like simple 2D cartoon design, minimal shading, and how the character should visually look. After that, the prompt includes the visual style instructions. Next, it explains the hook, which defines what should happen in the first 2 seconds of the video. Then it includes the video length, topic ideas, and the comedy style. It also defines the output format, which means we want 10 different scenes, and we want text-to-video prompts, not just image prompts. Today, we will directly create text-to-video prompts, and we will generate the video using a free AI tool. Guys, I will place the link to this master prompt in the description. You simply need to copy it. After copying the prompt, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, ChatGPT will automatically generate 10 scenes for you. Each scene will already include text-to-video prompt, voiceover, caption, text. This means you do not need to create a separate voiceover manually, and you also do not need to do complicated editing. The animation tool will automatically place everything inside the video. Now, the tool we are going to use today is called Grok AI. You already know that I frequently use tools like this because many of them are currently free, and you can take huge advantage of that. So first of all, open Grok AI. Once you enter the website, log into your account. After logging in, go to Settings, then go to Behavior, and you will find an option called Hidden Thinking Trace. Simply disable that option. Next, go back, and you will see an option called Imagine. Click on Imagine. Once you enter the Imagine section, first select Video. After that, set the aspect ratio to 9:16, because we are creating vertical videos for shorts and reels. Next, you will see an option called Edit Image. Now here is an important step. Take a screenshot from any video of the Stickman channel you want to replicate. It can be a screenshot from their video or thumbnail. Upload that screenshot here. Once you upload it, Grok AI will generate a similar character style animation. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first prompt, including the caption text. Then, return to Grok AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Once you click Generate, the first video generation will start. After a short time, the first video will be ready. Now you can see the result. You can see that the scene started exactly from the screenshot we uploaded. The mosquito comes and bites the character, and the character reacts in a funny way. The sound effects and captions also look amazing. Now you will see 3 dots on the video. Click on the 3 dots and select Extend Video. Once you click Extend Video, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, return to Grok AI, paste the prompt, and click Generate again. Now the second video segment will start generating. After a few moments, it will be ready. Now watch the preview.
Got you! 5 more minutes!
You can see that the next scene continues exactly from where the previous scene ended. The character, the clock, and everything else matches perfectly with the original prompt. Now I will generate the third scene. I simply paste the third prompt and click Generate Again. As you can see, the generation starts immediately. The progress goes from 8% to 10% very quickly. Grok AI is actually very fast at generating videos. You can also generate images here, but since we already have the text-to-video option, there is no need to use other image generation tools. Simply generate the video directly. Now the third scene is ready.
Got you! 5 more minutes!
In the same way, I generated the video until 30 seconds long. Now let me show you the next trick. After generating around 30 seconds, you may see a message that the video cannot be extended further. So what I do is very simple. First, I download the video, then I open the video and take a screenshot of the final frame where the video ends. Then I go back to Imagine, upload that, screenshot again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, paste it into Grok AI, select video, and click Generate. Now you will see that the next scene starts exactly from the same frame where the previous video ended. As you can see in the result, the scene continues perfectly. The character is now sitting in a classroom studying. This is the 7th scene. I repeat the same process again. Copy the prompt, click the 3 dots, select Extend Video, paste the prompt, and generate again. And guys, here is the final result. The video is generated successfully again. You simply need to repeat the same process for all the scenes. Using this method, you can easily generate videos that are 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even longer. Grok AI will not give you strict limits if you follow this method, and the best part is that you do not need any complex editing. Finally, create your YouTube channel and upload these videos. Make a professional thumbnail as well, and then watch how your channel grows within 1 month. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.